Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, I got a good one for you. I got a 1998 Chevrolet C1500 Silverado. This truck is finished in beautiful green with gray interior, and we're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this truck, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 1998 Chevrolet C1500 Silverado. Like I said, this is a really nice truck. On the odometer, it shows 56,000 miles. On the title, it shows that as well. No way to know if it's accurate, but that's what it shows. But really nice and clean little Chevrolet pickup truck here. All the cab corners and rockers are in excellent shape. The interior looks excellent in it. Just really nice and clean. All the dash looks good. Really nice. All the seat looks great. No rips or tears in the seats. Really looks good. Shut the door. I'll show you the door panels as well. Really looks good. All the doors are in great shape. Just really nice. Gonna shut the door here. I'm gonna take a look inside of the trunk, or inside the bed rather. Inside the bed all looks good. It's got a nice bed liner in it. Put in and did a good job on it. Really looks good. So shut the bed here, and Greg's going to put it up for us. Really sounds good. It's got some nice wheels and tires on it. Really good BFG tires. Really look good. It's got power steering and power disc brakes on it up in the front. So, like I said right there, shows 56,000 miles. No way to know if that's accurate or not, but that's what it shows. The title reflects that as well. Like I said, the seats all look good. All the roof looks good. Just a real nice little Chevrolet pickup truck. Power windows, power door locks. It does have C-notched in the back. It is C-notched in the rear. Had a lot of upgrades to the suspension. Been lowered just a little bit. So, but really looks good. Like I said, it does have disc brakes on it. So, but we'll take a look underneath the hood. Underneath the hood, it's powered by a 5.7 liter V8, which is a 350 Chevrolet. Power steering, power disc brakes, and it does have factory air conditioning. It all works great. Really looks good underneath the hood. Just good original old Chevrolet pickup truck. It's been well taken care of and loved for a long time. So, shut the hood. Take one more quick look at the 1998 Chevrolet C1500 Silverado. If you have any questions on this truck, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this truck for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1998 Chevrolet C1500 Silverado for a test drive and see how it does. I'll show you the air working here. Comes on, blows cold. Really good air conditioner. Turn it down for the video. Let me show you all the gauges working right. So like I said, 56,000 miles is what it shows on the odometer. Not sure if that's accurate or not. No way to know, but it's what it shows and reflects that on the title as well. But we're going to take this truck for a drive and see how it does. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars and trucks just like this one. We're going to take this for a drive and see how it does. Right, here we go. Runs and drives good, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent run and driving truck. like we do every time, I'm gonna have Greg get on it just a little bit and we'll see what this truck's made of. Like I said, it does have a 5.7 liter V8 and a 700 R4 transmission, automatic. But we're gonna see what this truck's made of. Right, here we go. Truck runs and drives great, shifts through all the gears the right way. Like I said, just an excellent running, driving truck. We are almost back here, and like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. And like I said, if you have any questions, give us a call, 859-621-5572. On our website at CentralKentuckyClassicCars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're gonna end the test drive and show you what this looks like underneath. And here's the underneath.